Hello, everyone. Welcome to another lecture. This week, we'll turn our focus to ideation, the creative engine behind every successful campaign. Today, we'll explore how to develop, refine, and evaluate ideas using proven techniques that fuel innovation and drive impact. It's important to note that every great campaign begins with a toolbox of creative strategies. We'll look at how to generate ideas quickly, and more importantly, how to evaluate which ones are worth pursuing. This agility is key in a fast paced creative environment. So, while every single campaign will need a toolbox, at the heart of all campaigns is a big idea. It's not just a slogan or an image, it's a narrative that defines your brand or cause. Now, this story needs to resonate deeply with your audience and inspire them to act or to care. Now, in thinking about the big idea, this is where ideation comes in. So, ideation or concepting is a process of developing new ideas. In our field, that means putting the audience at the center, identifying what you're trying to promote or solve, and addressing the unique challenges that stand in the way. In this course, you'll be doing a lot of group ideation. Now, the group ideation or concepting technique can be incredibly powerful. Techniques like card sorting or post it passing encourage group creativity. Mind mapping, on the other hand, helps visualize connections. Remember, the key is collaboration because diverse minds spark dynamic ideas. Now, as you're working through your individual creative brainstorming assignments this week, I want you to remember that there are several creative tools to power your ideation process. Use metaphors to make abstract problems relatable, exaggerate to grab attention, try the opposite of the expected, and never underestimate the power of a simple, well crafted headline. Now, the creative brief is deeply tied to the process of ideation. As mentioned last week, the creative brief is your roadmap. It defines the problem, the audience, and the campaign objectives. When ideation feels scattered, return to the brief. It should anchor and focus your creative thinking. This week, you'll be experiencing the process of individual ideation as well as group ideation. Individual ideation gives you the chance to explore concepts deeply, while group ideation brings in fresh perspectives. Using both methods, however, can give your campaign balance and originality. As you're brainstorming creatively, I want you to be mindful of these common mistakes. 1. Ignoring audience insight. 2. Forcing ideas that don't align with the brief. 3. Relying on cliches. And 4. Falling in love with your first idea. You may uncover something much stronger on the third or fourth try. Now, as I wrap this lecture up, let's look at Dove's Real Beauty campaign. Now, the big idea in this campaign challenged conventional beauty standards. It resonated deeply with audiences because it was rooted in research, it was aligned with the brand's values, and it was emotionally powerful.